How to know if someone is online on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with another video. Now without any further ado, let's jump into this video. First of all, launch your WhatsApp application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Now from this chat page, navigate to top right corner, then tap on three dot icon. From this drop down menu, tap on settings. That's gonna take you to settings page and from here tap on privacy. Here at the top it says last seen in online, tap on it. And at the top section, who can see my last seen, tap on the first option that says everyone. So everyone will be able to view your last seen. And under that it says who can see when I am online. From there also choose everyone. Now after you do that, you can also view other last seen and when they are online. And other will also view when you were online and when you have last seen. So once you're done with that, again go back and make sure that the read receipt is turned on here. If you have turned it off, you won't send or receive read receipts. So make sure this is also turned on. After that, go back to your chat page. Now from your chat page, open up the conversation or open up the any profile that you would like to view if they were online or not. Now once you open up the conversation, at the top below that account it says last seen on 12:31 p.m. That means this account was online at that time and now it's offline. Now if you go back and check in the same way, if they are online, just below their profile name it says online if they are online on WhatsApp. So this is a way to see if someone is online on WhatsApp, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.